Hello and welcome to CloudFox Hub. My name is Bhavesh Atara. You are learning Amazon SQS. Currently, we are talking about all the options related to SQS queue. We already discussed about queue types. You also understood the queue configuration options. Now, in this video, we are going to talk about queue encryption. Let's start. Introduction. SQS encryption protects messages while stored in the queue so that the data is unreadable if someone accesses the storage directly. This is called encryption at rest. Server-side encryption, SSE in SQS. You can enable or disable server-side encryption for SQS queue. Default is enable. Look at this. Here I am creating new queue and here I am getting this option server-side encryption. If I want to disable it, I can. But by default, it is enabled and it is always good idea to enable this for the security. Now, when you are going to enable this, you have two options. Server-side encryption with SQS and server-side encryption with KMS. Now, let's understand the differences between these two options. SSE-SQS. AWS manages the encryption key. When you are going to encrypt any data, you must have key. Now here, AWS is going to manage entire encryption process. This process is completely transparent to user, so we don't need to do anything. No key management required, simple and recommended for the most use cases. Means your queue is actually secure and you are not going to manage anything related to the encryption, right? So it is a very simple process. Now, we have another option. As you know that we have one service, key management service. We call it KMS. So here we are uses AWS KMS key. You have to set up key into the KMS. KMS is a separate service. We'll discuss about it in upcoming videos. So we have to create KMS key and then we have to use this KMS key along with this SQS queue. Now, if you have your own key, you can control key permission and rotation. You can also audit this key as well. So this is really very secure option we have because here you have total control on your key. It is used for compliance and strict security requirement. Okay, so this is very simple option we have. Now,